everybody and welcome to day 3. Today we're gonna do mobility. I prepared for you 4 different mobility flows for entire body. We're gonna perform each move for 1 minute and then we're gonna go into the next one. So let's start with a great stretch, and for this one we're gonna start with 2 minutes. So basically we're doing 1 minute on each side, but we are alternating the sides.
Before your life was so boring, I got up, went to work just to get back home and repeat. Before you I just felt nothing, I didn't dare to take risks. Now we be staying up all night, we don't have to sleep cause we're crazy in love, yeah. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Shout out the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same, with you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run like a kid with the kite. You make me wanna die from a cliff way too high. You make me wanna go where there's nowhere to hide. With you I'm not the same, with you I'm not afraid. It made me lonely and bitter, but that was all before you. Now we be staying up all night, we don't have to sleep cause we're crazy in love. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout out the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna You're all I need. You're all you're all you're all I need. You're all you're all you're all I need. You're all I need. You're all you're all.
And here you have it. This is amazing mobility routine for you to get all these muscles a little bit looser. Your body will feel much better after this short routine. We did the full body. All right, I hope you love this one, and I see you tomorrow with another lower body day. Have fun.